Hi, my name is Charity Chirabo. I'm a co-founder of Neat Care, and we manufacture sweaters for schools as well as casual sweaters. I got to learn about YSAU program from a friend of mine, but I didn't get into it until I saw the advert on TV. That's when I applied and I got to participate in this. And so far I have learned that my business is not about me, but rather about serving people and attending to people's needs, which was a problem for us because that is where the issue of growth was ending. We didn't see how to progress because we were focusing internally instead of looking at people. And also expanding my knowledge about the market, because we look just at Uganda, yet there's market elsewhere, not just around us, but all over Africa and the world as well. By the end of the program, first of all, I hope to achieve a mentorship between my business and YSAU, that wherever I need help, I have my support system. I can get help whenever, and so far I've actually made connections with different people and gotten to get exposure of different businesses, so I hope that grows as well. And how to market the business, do proper research, and also to tailor my product to fit the needs of my customers.